Machine has 50 inches of x-axis travel, 20 in the y, 25 in the z. It's an SS with a 12,000 RPM spindle, BT40, 24 tool side mount tool changer. Right now we're simulating a tool change. With the doors open, they do it slower. Machine also is wired for 4th and 5th axis table. Right now we have a 4-axis table on it, an HRT 210. Bring down the head. Again, there you go, nice and smooth. Telescopic weight covers. It's moving the X against 50 inches in X. All axes are quiet, telescopic weight covers. The table size is 52 by 18. Right now he's moving the rotary table or the 4th axis. We're running the spindle, 1200 RPM. 6,000 RPM. Okay, so you've seen a tool change, you've seen the axes move, you've seen the rotary table move. Hey, also the machine does have a programmable coolant nozzle for the coolant system.